Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about how to remove community guideline warning with the policy training that YouTube just rolled out earlier 2023 or so. So using this feature, you can be able to remove any warning that is on your channel. I'll go into my channel right now, and all you need to do is to go to your from your account here, go into your studio, YouTube studio, and you'll get to that same page. Okay, so from here, this is our dashboard. You will see that the channel has a violation that has expired, but it has been stuck on just this warning sign. And if I violate this same rule again, I would actually get an active community guideline strike. So for me to remove this community guideline strike warning from my channel, all I need to do right now is just to click on active community guideline strike, hover above it and click on it. It's going to bring you here. And from here, you could see that the content is unavailable. Click on take action. So after you click on take action, you would actually be able to look at all this stuff here. And you can go ahead and click on begin review. Okay, so when you click on that, it's gonna show you this page, and just go ahead and click on next. So most of you might get stuck on this page. Just go ahead and click on next. And from here, you would see that they will be asking, okay, this is what it says: complete a short training, 7 questions. If you violate this policy again within 90 days, you will get a strike. If you violate a different policy, you will get a warning. So you have to make sure you don't violate this rule within 90 days, and automatically the warning will exit from your channel. Okay, so all you need to do right now is just take the training, click on take training, and from here they're going to actually tell you the stuff you violated, and they're going to give you 15 minutes to take 7 questions. Click on next, and from here they'll give you some scenarios. You can just go ahead and answer this, but if you get it wrong, they will actually tell you that the other one is the correct answer, and just choose that one and you just proceed. Okay, let's go ahead and just choose just go ahead and click this, click on yes it is, without reading to know what it is, and click on check. They will tell me yeah, that's right, we don't allow this stuff here. Click on next, and I have to do this for all of these 7 questions. Okay, all right, so they might be giving you multiple questions like this, and maybe if you're not able to get all the answers correct, and this is what it's going to look like. For instance, I just checked the first one and click on check, and it's going to actually show you this error. And okay, I'm going to try again and just choose like 2 or 3. Let's go with 3. And from here, you can see that it's going to actually show you now that answer 3 is correct, while 1 and 2 is incorrect. So you have to click on check number 3 and just check it. Okay, that's right. So this is how to make use of select all the applies. Just run around it this way. Okay, same way, same method. Check it. It's going to show us now that only number 3 is correct. So I'm just going to go ahead and try again and select number 3, and we're good. We're good to go. Okay, now nice work. You've completed the training, and okay, your warning will expire on March 29, 2024. If you violate the harmful or dangerous policy again before this warning expires, you will get a strike. If you violate a different policy, you will get another warning with the opportunity to take another training. Hope this is very clear to you guys, and I'll stop the video here. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like and drop a comment. Consider subscribing to the channel also. Thank you.